From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a hazy, warm, and not quite humid one out there today. Upper 80s to near 90 for a high. We'll get that official number coming in, but I tucked my head out this afternoon. It's been hazier during the course of the afternoon as opposed to earlier in the day. And what is the reason? Well, take a look at this. We'll bring it over to the key wall and show you. This is smoke from fires and, well, haze that you get from the smoke. And you can see where it's been thickest up across portions of Canada where fires have been really raging over the last month. But the good news is they had rain here lately, so the number of fires has decreased immensely. But there's still plenty of smoke, and that's been ducking into portions of the Great Lakes and then working its way down the East Coast, and has been working its way all the way down to the Gulf Coast. Should thin in the days ahead, and you can see all the fires that are going on, and that pales in comparison to, look at all the fire action we have going down here across Central America, slash and burn, and everything else going on down here. But boy, it's been smoky down here, and some of that smoke has been working its way northward. Once we get into a more tropical atmosphere, that's what we saw a few weeks back, and we'll probably see going into next week. So some hazy skies ahead, and that's not including the African dust that season is about to come on us as well. Now here's the big picture. You see the rains up here in the Pac Northwest into western Canada. That's good news for the fires there. Threat of strong severe storms this afternoon. Texas Panhandle, West Texas along a dry line, and high pressure pretty much dominating our weather here in Acadiana with showers and storms to the east and some action back to the west, but not a whole lot going on here across Acadiana. Now we do see showers and some storms along the coastal areas where everybody goes to the beach from pretty much destined on eastward, and then back to the south and west. This is the strongest storm we have going in Louisiana. It's just south of Dulac now, moving to the southeast. It's west of Grand Isle, but some light sprinkles in the Grand Isle area. But this storm, mariners beware. This one's producing 40-mile-an-hour winds, probably 40-knot winds as it moves offshore, but it has been showing a trend of weakening. Now back to the west, we were watching storms in Texas. They're running into that ridge of high pressure, so an intense storm earlier where we had a severe thunderstorm warning for it just near the Conroe area. Now it's rolling through Baytown and down toward Galveston and weakening. But some of that cloud debris may get in the way from that thunderstorm activity, may get in the way to see Venus and Mars tonight. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. Acadiana's radar, power Doppler 3, all is quiet here this afternoon. Now, nothing going on in our tropics, but this is newsworthy as well. A super typhoon named Mawar, 140-mile-per-hour winds. It's bearing down on Guam right now. Now, the eye wall's filled a little bit, but this is still forecast to stay near 140-mile-per-hour winds, and the eye may go directly over Guam within the next few hours. So we'll be watching this imagery as we head through the overnight hours and see what reports come out of Guam. Already 40, 50-mile-an-hour winds here. So typhoon here. It is typhoon season earlier in the year in the Western Pacific. So we'll be thinking about our friends over there. Meanwhile, locally, it should be relatively quiet. Again, we'll be on the lookout for the clouds off to the west, but generally fair skies tomorrow morning. Temperatures start out near 70, and then we'll go partly cloudy tomorrow. We're going to see more clouds tomorrow, so we're not going to be quite so warm. Widely scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. We think mainly coastal parishes, but we can't rule it out. I-10 on southward, thus the 20% for tomorrow. Maybe some activity lingering into the evening hours and by the coast, and then as we head into Thursday, back to mostly sunny skies, temperatures warming back up into the mid to upper 80s. So temperature-wise tonight, we hold in the 70s in Lafayette, but could see upper 60s outlying areas, especially to the north. And then tomorrow into the upper 80s once again with that sun and cloud mix. Tomorrow night, maybe a few degrees cooler will favor upper 60s. And going into your Thursday afternoon, upper 80s to near 90 with more sunshine in the forecast. So overnight tonight, generally a quiet evening. Partly cloudy skies with seasonable temperatures. We'll go down to 74 low. And again, if we look off to the west, let's turn it around here, fly out and look to the west. You're going to have Mars right here, just to the top left of the moon, smaller star, and then Venus. Their planets obviously much brighter, just to the lower right of the crescent moon this evening. So look for that. Should be a pretty sky. As we head, that's if the clouds are thin enough. Typical May Day for tomorrow, sun and cloud mix. Few thunderstorms along the coast, as we indicated. Rain chance at 20%. And as we move it into the 10-day forecast, a relatively quiet one at that. Don't count on any soaking rains anytime soon, as rain chances stay low, but they could perk up next week. But the temperatures stay up in the upper 80s to lower 90s.